Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to talk about this wireless gaming keyboard that I got from Amazon, and this is branded by Amazon. It's part of the Amazon basic products. So this is how the box is, and it's a 65% keyboard. There's a quick unboxing. You have your user manual that's in English. And then we have your 2.4 gigahertz dongle. There are three modes on this keyboard. You have your USB type C to type A, and then you have your 2.4 gigahertz, and then you obviously have your Bluetooth. And this is the type C cable that comes in the box. So type A to type C is not braided, but yeah, this is just a regular USB cable. And then of course your keyboard, and then you also get the keycap puller and the switch puller here. This keyboard is a hot swappable keyboard, so that's a plus point. And this weighs around approximately 700 grams. Now here you have your type C port, and then on the bottom you have your feet. And you have your dongle for Bluetooth, USB, and the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. The price of this keyboard is around 2400 Indian rupees, and that's actually not a bad pricing at all, because you're getting a 65% wireless keyboard with the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. It has a 3000 mAh battery as well. You are not sacrificing the arrow keys, and it has around 15 RGB modes which you can switch using the function delete key and the page up key. This has three modes. You have your Bluetooth profile 1, 2 and 3, then you have your 2.4 gigahertz, and then you have your type C wired connection. In terms of the build quality, the build quality is not bad at all, and the switches that this comes with are red switches, and this looks like some sort of Otemu copy. I don't know about the brand. It's called CKT. Didn't find much about the brand online, and out of the box they do sound quite okay. I'm not sure about the switches, if they're lubed or not, but they don't sound too bad. So these are hot swappable switches, so you can easily replace them with any other switches that you may have or may want to use. In terms of the battery backup, I got around 1 day of usage with the RGB on, and without the RGB you may get around 2-3 days depending on how many hours you're using per day. So I used around 8 to 9 hours while gaming, and there was no lag, nothing at all, and the battery was around 50%. So for example, if you want to see the battery, so you have to hold on the function and space bar, and as you can see it's highlighting the number 5, meaning it's at 50% at the moment. In terms of the things that I like is the price point at 2400 Indian rupees. I don't think there is any other brand that's going to give you a hot swappable keyboard with red switches, and they do sound good out of the box. It has support for 5-pin switches and the 3-pin as well. It has a huge battery, so that's also a plus. There is no lag at all in the 2.4 gigahertz mode. Things that I don't like is if there was some support for a software. The other thing is the RGB. So the RGB is not too bright. The conclusion would be, for the price that you're paying for this keyboard, I would definitely say go for it, because I was looking for a keyboard with a huge battery, hot swappability, 65% layout with the arrow keys, and 2.4 gigahertz dongle as well. And this has all of those features. So within 2500, this is probably one of the best wireless mechanical keyboard that you can buy that has all the features that I mentioned. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and you have a good day.